I watched Dr. Vivek Joshi's video on how to remove dental plaque effectively at home, and I have some criticisms of his video as a dentist myself. He is definitely correct in how he describes the plaque developing on the teeth. This is a mechanism where bacteria form a sticky film over the teeth, and if you're eating a lot of sugar, it can eventually contribute to tooth decay. Not only this, having bacteria and plaque all around your teeth and gums can put you at very high risk of gum disease. Dr. Vivek Joshi mentions two techniques in his video on how to remove dental plaque. The first one is oil pulling. Now, oil pulling is an interesting topic. Majority of people recommend coconut oil and swishing the oil around your teeth and gums for 20 minutes. That's the usual protocol. However, oil pulling has some limitations because you have to remember plaque is present on the teeth and gums, and if you're just swishing oil around the teeth, it's not very effective at removing plaque and calculus. The most effective way of removing plaque around your teeth and gums is by ensuring that you're using the best technique when brushing your teeth. So I would recommend using an electric toothbrush, brushing morning and night time for at least 2 minutes. With an electric toothbrush, all you have to do is hold the brush gently against your teeth and gums, and it will clean the area effectively. In addition to this, it's good to use floss to clean underneath your gums and kind of in between your teeth, and also interdental brushes are very effective if you can't use floss. Now remember, a very easy way to remove the plaque and calculus from your teeth is by visiting a hygienist, because they'll use an ultrasonic device to manually scrape away any plaque and calculus which is around your teeth and gums. So I would always recommend doing that first before trying any home remedies. Dr. Vivek Joshi also recommends using clove to help remove plaque and calculus around your teeth. However, there is not really much evidence of this as shown by the study here. The number one way to reduce your risk of gum disease is by removing plaque around your teeth and gums. And the two most effective ways of doing that is, number one, visiting a dental hygienist, as they will physically remove the plaque and calculus. And the second best way is by having your own effective technique at home to clean your teeth. And as I mentioned, that's using floss, that's using an electric toothbrush, and also using interdental brushes, because it's only going to be the manual removal of the plaque which is going to be the most effective to remove plaque around your teeth and gums. So I hope that's useful. I'll cover this in a bit more detail in a future video, but thank you for watching.